Once behind the gates of the High Commissioner's residence in Nairobi, the Chandlers were under the protection of the Foreign Office. A chance to recover, but also to be what's called debriefed. After 13 months as hostages, the Chandlers have extensive and vital information about the pirate gangs who kept them captive. Mohammed Dahir, a Somali cameraman, saw for himself where the Chandlers were being held. He filmed these pictures in July.
They would have seen a lot, different guys every single day, different guys who would come in, exchange shifts, and other ones would come in with, different weapons and machine guns.
So they have quite useful information for the authorities?
They've been there for 1 year and they've seen a lot, they can describe things and, situations they've been through.
Once British government officials working with the High Commission here in Kenya have finished debriefing the Chandlers, then the former hostages can start rebuilding their lives. And for the second time in 13 months, the couple will have a price on their heads.
The potential for them from a financial point of view realistically is anything between 1 million and 5 million over the next 12 months or so. A successful book, and then you've also got the potential of a movie. But the TV documentary, the newspaper exclusives, the magazine exclusives, all of which, if they're clever, will make them a lot of money.
No move! No move! Films have been made about previous hostage ordeals, like this one, Blind Flight, which details the capture of John McCarthy and Brian Keenan in Lebanon. For many, the story of how a retired couple from Tunbridge Wells survived for so long being held by pirates in the most lawless country on earth is already inspirational. Angus Walker, ITV News, Nairobi.